approachable, strategic, realistic, holistic. And he actually explained the entire process to me, and it was quite educational, and I think everyone else should do the same. Hi, my name is Stanley.
As Forrest here.
And I'm a project manager, and Forrest is an electrical engineer. And we both work in the construction industry. If someone comes to this session, what they'll find out is how to invest in properties, how to come up with a plan for their retirement, and it's actually a realistic plan, not something that floats up there. He actually tells you how to get there, and I was actually quite comfortable with the whole process. So don't be afraid. Get your mindset right, don't be afraid, and consult with people who have actually done it before. If someone has done it already, they know what are the obstacles that some might be facing, and they can warn the first timer about that obstacle or that risk up front, so they're more prepared to face it. At the end of the day, investing is a risk, but as long as you know what the risks are, you're comfortable, then there's nothing to be afraid of.
It's more like giving me a confidence about the process, and like what Stanley said, don't be afraid and just ask to get comfortable and take the step. Based on my experience today, it seems like you know your strategic, and I think this is what people need, a strategy to build a portfolio. To be able to advise on this strategy to a personal level, it's a whole new exercise or experience that each different person needs from an expert to do this.
Approachable, strategic, realistic, holistic. And he actually explained the entire process to me, and it was quite educational, and I think everyone else should do the same.